Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Peasy English. In today's lesson, we are going to practice simple phone and online conversations. This is very useful because almost every day we use our phone or chat online with friends, family, or even for work. Don't worry, I will guide you step by step, and you will see that it's very easy. Let's begin with a phone call. When you pick up the phone, the most common way to start is by saying, "Hello." Simple, right? If you want to be polite, you can add your name. "Hello, this is Anna." Now repeat after me. "Hello, this is Anna." Great. When you call someone, you can also say, "Hi, may I speak to John, please?" This is polite and clear. Try it. "Hi, may I speak to John, please?" Perfect. Now, when someone answers you, they may say, "Speaking," or "Yes, this is John." Let's practice. I will be the caller, and you answer. Ready? "Hi, may I speak to John, please?" And you say, "Yes, this is John." Excellent. Sometimes the person you want to talk to is not available. In that case, you can say, "Can I leave a message?" Or, "Please ask him to call me back." Let's practice. Repeat after me. "Can I leave a message?" And "Please ask him to call me back." Great job. Now, let's move to online conversations. Online chats are usually shorter and more casual. For example, you can say, "Hi, how are you?" Or just, "Hey, what's up?" Try it with me. "Hi, how are you?" Good. When someone asks you, "How are you?" you can answer, "I'm fine, thank you. How about you?" Or, "I'm good, thanks." Repeat after me. "I'm fine, thank you. How about you?" Nice. Another common online phrase is, "What are you doing?" You can answer, "I'm studying," "I'm watching TV," or "I'm just relaxing." Practice with me. "I'm studying," "I'm watching TV," "I'm just relaxing." Very good. Now let's combine phone and online style. Imagine you call your friend. You say, "Hello, this is Sarah. How are you?" The friend answers, "I'm fine, thank you. How about you?" You reply, "I'm good. Are you free to talk now?" Then your friend says, "Yes, I am." See? Easy conversation. Let's try one more example for online chat. You type, "Hey, what are you doing?" Your friend replies, "I'm eating dinner." Then you say, "Nice. Enjoy your meal." Very natural, right? Now let's practice some useful expressions for both phone and online. Repeat after me. "Can you hear me?" The line is not clear. "Can you repeat that, please?" "I'll call you back later." "Talk to you soon." Excellent. These are very important because sometimes the connection is not good. Let's make it more fun with a role play. I will play person A, and you play person B. Ready? A. "Hello, this is Alex. May I speak to Maria, please?" You say, "Yes, this is Maria." A. "Hi, Maria. How are you today?" You say, "I'm fine, thank you. How about you?" A. "I'm good. Are you busy now?" You say, "No, I'm free." A. "Great. Let's meet tomorrow." You say, "Sure. See you tomorrow." Fantastic. You just had a simple but complete phone conversation in English. Now let's practice an online chat role play. I will read person A, you be person B. A. "Hey, what are you doing?" You say, "I'm studying English." A. "Wow, that's great. Do you like it?" You say, "Yes, it's fun." A. "Nice. Talk to you later." You say, "Okay, bye." Perfect. All right, let's review what we learned today. We practiced how to answer the phone politely, how to ask for someone, how to leave a message, and also simple online chats like greeting, asking, "What are you doing?" and answering with short sentences. You did an amazing job. Remember, practice these sentences every day. Try calling your friend in English or send a simple chat in English like, "Hi, how are you?" The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Thank you so much for learning with me today on Easy Peasy English. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join me for the next lesson. See you soon. Bye.